So YouTube, today I got a new product. It's the Wi-Fi Smart Power Plug. This is basically a smart plug that you set a timer. So you can put a timer in your AC, a timer in your cell phone if you want to put it to charge, stuff like that. As you can see, you download the app right here. And a remote controlling, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, turn your Wi-Fi on, set time to turn the appliances off or on, charge your tablet not to overcharge, control various things that get plugged to your outlet. I can see. Okay, let's get it open. So as you can see, it comes with a manual how to connect to your Wi-Fi. Also, you can schedule a timer, cycle a timer, countdown, or charging protection. Okay, and this is how it looks. Back in the days, they used to have one with a little dialer right here, and you put how many hours you want basically, but now it's Wi-Fi. Well, get your phone, you have to scan it, so basically you have to get a QR reader. So you get a QR scanner. You see that's a QR scanner, and you come, see that's a QR scanner, and this is the Android, so it'll be the top one. And as you can see, but it scanned the wrong one. Try again. I'm gonna cover up the Apple one. Okay, that's the one for Android. Open it up. I will download it and I'll show you the app. Check it out. So basically, looks just like that. Okay. So basically, you get your Wi-Fi going. Comes up like this, on and off. So if you click on, you see now it's off, now it turns on, then it turns off. That's what that does. So let me show you a little bit. If you go to timer, so you go to timer, click add, and you see you got add countdown, add schedule, timer, or add repeated timer. So turn on, there you put the time, and basically it will turn on. Well, YouTube is a pretty cool Wi-Fi smart plug. Not bad at all. It's pretty cheap. If you want to make your house smart, well, in my description there will be a link and where to buy. Pretty much showed you a little bit how it works. There's more into it. Once you get it, you'll learn more about it. I just showed you the on and off. And that's about it. Well, like and subscribe. Thanks.